Hi, I'm Paulo Shakarian, CEO and co-founder of Cyricon. Thank you for watching today. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 things that go wrong when applying machine learning to cybersecurity. All right, so number 1 is failing to understand how the security professional will use the results. And this one's really big because it is directly related to how the machine learning results are analyzed. So for example, maybe there's an algorithm that provides 90% precision, and that precision result is based on both correctly identifying bad stuff and correctly identifying benign things as benign. Well, mixing those two together will give you nice sounding results, but the analyst is not going to analyze benign outcomes. They're only going to care about the malicious things. And so understanding what the analyst cares about and tuning your performance results to their needs is really key. Number 2 is what we call temporal intermixing. So in this case, you get a great sounding result from a machine learning algorithm, some high precision recall or accuracy numbers, but there's a little insidious thing that happened, and that is the data you are evaluating on may have occurred before in time than the data you trained the algorithm on. And of course, once you deploy that, you don't have that benefit of creating your machine learning model on stuff that occurred in the future. Whereas when you're doing stuff in a research lab, yeah, that's an easy thing to do. And sometimes this temporal intermixing can be very insidious because maybe you think that the data that you are evaluating on occurred after the training data, but maybe you weren't careful, or it was from 2 different sources and there was some causal link between the 2. That can also lead to bad results. So it's very important that the person who's developing the algorithm treats that evaluation as very strictly in terms of what's used to train the algorithm and how it's, and what data is being used to evaluate it, and make sure that there is no mixture between the 2 from a time perspective, because that could just lead to wrong results. And item number 3, I would say, is not considering the workflow of the user. And this has to do with building integrations or building the user interface around the machine learning solution. A lot of machine learning guys may assume that, hey, I just hand them a spreadsheet of the results. You know, this is bad stuff, and it's totally out of context. It's not communicated in a way to the cybersecurity analyst that makes sense or is applicable to their workflow. Sometimes an API is needed, and in some cases even a web-based user interface. And it has to be done in a way where it fits into the workflow of that analyst. Maybe it needs to be ingested into the SIM. Maybe the results need to be put in a report that's shown to his manager, and so on. And so you're going to see higher use of machine learning results if they're presented properly and if they conform to existing workflows. So that's it for today. Hope you found that video helpful. Again, these are things that we commonly see with people trying to apply machine learning, especially in companies that just will go out and they'll hire a machine learning guy. Maybe that individual had no experience applying it to cyber in the past, and he or she may be coming with a mindset, oh, this worked great for online advertising or something like that, and I'm going to take the same techniques and apply it to cyber. And there could be a lot of pitfalls there, so just be ready for that. Hope you found this video helpful, and stay tuned to our website and YouTube channel for more. Bye now.